In previous video, we have created these two parts of Netflix site. Today, we are going to create third part. Now, this is first part, this is second part, and this is third part, which is almost similar to second part. This fourth part is also similar to second part. So we are not going to design this. We are going to design this part as third part. Now to create this part, first of all, as we have created horizontal ruler, in second part we will be creating that ruler. After that, we are going to design one main div, that is part 3 div, and in that div we are going to put first div, that is P3 div, in which we will be putting this image, and P4 div, in which we will be putting this text. So here, this is our third part. Here we have to give div class equals to horizontal ruler. This is going to give us that horizontal line. Now after creating this, we are going to create one more div class equals to, here I'm giving it a name, part 3, which is will be holding two more divs inside, that is P3 and P4. Now this part 3 is main div, and we want that both of these contents, that is this image and this text, should come in same line. So here I'm declaring display property to flex. So style equals to display to flex. This is going to bring both of the those contents, that is that image and that text, in same line. Save it. Now in part 3, the first div we have to create is for that image. So div class equals to P3 class. I'm giving it a name. I will design it later. This div is going to hold that image. And one more div class equals to P4. And this div is going to hold that text. Now here we have designed the whole structure. In head section, here we have to design dot part 3. This is our class, and here I'm giving it a width of 100%, height of 500 pixel, and a background color of black. Save. So our page is looking like this. This was our second div, and this is our part 3 div. Here this is whole div is part 3 div. Now within this we have designed P3 div and P4 div. So in P3 div we have to put this image. So here this is our P3 div, and before doing anything inside it, we are setting its width. Style equals to, and here I'm giving it a width of, we are doing it everything online inline. So width, here I'm giving it as a 50%, and here I'm giving position to relative. Save. Next thing we are going to give for it is border. Border is not needed, we are doing it for our convenience, later on we'll remove it. So it's 1 pixel, solid white. Because the background is black, we won't be able to see black border. So it is looking like this. So this is our P3 div, in which we have to put this image. Now we'll put our image. So for that, img src equals to, in name of my image is kids.png. So this is my image, which will be coming in P3 div. So this is my image. Now I have to reduce its size. So here I'm setting its width and height. So here style equals to width, and here I'm giving it a width of 500 pixel. Save. So we have changed its width. Here I'm setting its position to absolute. Absolute. Now here I'm giving it a top margin of 50 pixel. Save. It has got a top margin. We have to give left margin as well. So here margin left. Here I'm giving is 150 pixel. Save. So our image is at its place. Now here in P4 div we have to put this text. So this is our P4 div, and here we are setting its width. So style equals to width of 50%. Save. Now first of all we have to put this text. So we'll be putting it inside H1. So here we have to create H1, and within this tag we have to put the text. So it is looking like this here. Next we have to put this text. So we'll copy this text, and here within paragraph tag we're putting this text. Save. Right now it is not showing because color of text we have to change. So here in paragraph tag, style equals to color white. Now we can see this text. Now font size, here I'm giving it of 25 pixel. So font size is 25 pixel. So it's 25 pixel. Next thing we are going to give is font weight. So font weight, and here I'm giving it this number 10. Save. Now we have to give margins. So here I'm giving margin right to 90 pixel. Margin right, and here I'm giving it is 90 pixel. So it has got a right margin of 90 pixel. Next we have to give margin left. So here it is, margin left, and here I'm giving it is 35 pixel. Save. So it has got a left margin of 35 pixel. Now we have to do text align to justify. Text align, and here I'm giving it justify. Save. So it is justified now. So our site is almost same as this side. Now we have to remove that border. So what we are going to do here is in part 3 class we have created above, we are going to remove this. Here we have given border in P3. border 1 pixel solid white. So we are going to remove this to remove that white border. Save, and so this is our third part of Netflix site.